Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to open a bank account on TD Bank online. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for TD Bank account opening. So let's click on Open Bank Account Online over here. Now over here we can see this option called Open an Account. So let's tap on this. So let's click on Get Started. Now simply click on Continue over here. So now we are in this form in which we need to enter all of our details. At first we need to enter our personal details including our name, date of birth, social security number. After which we get into next step by clicking on Continue, in which we need to enter our contact details like contact number and email address. And after which we get into next step, that is employment or financial details. And after which we need to enter our identification details and provide our identity cards or the social security cards we have got. And once we provide that and once the verification is completed, our creation of bank account will also be completed. So by entering all of our details and providing the required documents, we can finally create TD Bank account online. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.